Good morning, everyone. In the lecture of today, we will go on continuing discussing chapter 7 in our book Select Reading and Comprehension. Today we reached to page 67, Building Vocabulary, Learning Noun Suffixes. Actually, this topic has been discussed earlier for many times. As you know, suffixes are additions that are added to the end of the words so as to form another parts of speech of the same word. يعني, for instance, when we have the word engage, by adding the word by adding the suffix meant, it becomes the verb engage is changed to a noun and it becomes engagement. Okay. Now let's read what is written here in the book and let us examine it carefully. It's possible to change many verbs and adjectives into nouns by adding a suffix. So here we will learn how to change verbs and adjectives into nouns. Okay. So for example, you can add the suffix ence to the verb depend in order to make it a noun dependence. لاحظوا الفعل عندك depend. By adding the suffix ence, it becomes the noun dependence. The most common noun suffix in academic writing or in academic English is هي tion or ion. هاي اللي هي the most common noun suffix. tion or ion, as in the word education. Education managed from the verb educate plus the suffix tion. Okay. You can also change the meaning of some nouns by adding a suffix. يعني نفس meaning of noun by adding the suffix. تغير المعنى مالت الnoun أصلا. So for example, if you add the suffix ship to the noun relation, يعني relation هي أساسا noun, لكن meaning مالتها راح يتغير by adding also a suffix اللي هو راح نضيف tion للnoun relation. راح تصير لنا relationship. يعني both of them are nouns but the meaning of each one of them differs from the other. Okay, you can expand your vocabulary quickly by learning common noun suffixes. Of course, there are a number of suffixes that are added to the nouns in order to change their own meanings, either to change their own meanings or we use suffixes with the verbs and adjectives so as to form nouns. Okay, now an exercise. Let us examine the following exercises. I will explain them to you in the following videos.